Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your maths teacher. So, today we are going to start our new chapter, fractions. So, what are fractions? The numbers of the form a upon b, where a and b are natural numbers, are known as fractions. Or you may say the fraction is the part of a whole, and in fraction we represent the whole by 1. Now, as you're saying, here is a fraction 20 upon 57, in which the top half of the fraction is called numerator. That means here the numerator value is 20, and the bottom half of the fraction is called denominator. So here the denominator value is 57, and this numerator and denominator is divided by a line, which is a dividing line. Now, this numerator represent the number which we have, and the denominator represent the total number of parts. Like, it can be better understood by this example. Like, here is a pizza, and we divide this pizza in 8 equal parts. Then if in mathematics, if we say how we can represent the one slice of this pizza, then as we are seeing here, there are 8 equal parts. That means total number of parts is 8, which represent the denominator. That means in the denominator value will be 8. Now here we are asking only the fraction of one slice. That means its fraction will be 1 upon 8. Now, as you are seeing here is a circle which is shaded, as it is complete shaded. So as I have told you that in fraction the complete is represented by 1. Now, if we split this into two halves, then the fraction of shaded part will be 1 upon 2. Like, there are two parts and we are asking for one shaded part, and if I ask you what is the fraction of unshaded, then it also will be 1 upon 2. Next, if we split this into 4 equal parts and we shade into only one part, then if we ask, then what is the fraction of shaded part? As the shaded part is 1 and total number of parts are 4, then it will be 1 upon 4. Again, the next, in here there are 3 shaded part. That means its fraction will be 3 upon 4. Now, we will learn types of fraction. There are various types of fractions. Like, first one is decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the numerator, like 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 and so on, is called decimal fraction. It means if a fraction is having in the denominator 10, 100 or 1000, then it is called decimal fraction. Here are some examples like 3 upon 10, 27 upon 100, 31 upon 1000, etc. These all are decimal fractions. Next is vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Means the denominator value should not be 10, 100 or 1000. Then other are called vulgar fraction, like 2 upon 9, 4 upon 13 and 13 upon 20. These all are example of vulgar fractions. Now, third one is proper fraction. Now, a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator, means in the fraction in which the numerator value is less than the denominator, then the fraction is called proper fraction. Like 3 upon 7, as in 3 upon 7 you are saying 3 is less than 7, so this is a proper fraction. So 3 upon 7, 8 upon 10, 73 upon 100, these are some example of proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. It is opposite of proper fraction. Like, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. Like 11 upon 7, in which numerator value is more than the denominator, like 11 upon 7, 25 upon 12, 41 upon 36, 53 upon 53. These all are some example of improper fraction. Now, next is mixed fraction. So, mixed fraction, what is mixed fraction? So, to convert improper fraction in a proper form, what we do, we convert this as a whole number and proper fraction, which is called mixed fraction. Means a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction, like 1 whole 3 upon 4, 4 whole 5 upon 7, and 7 whole 9 upon 13. These all are some example of mixed fraction. Now, next is equivalent fraction. What are equivalent fractions? Like a given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero numbers are called equivalent fraction, like 3 upon 4, 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12, and 12 upon 16, and so on are equivalent fractions. Now, how we get this? Like when we multiply in 3 by 4 by 2 in the numerator and the denominator, we will got 6 upon 8, and if we multiply by 3 in the denominator and the numerator, we will got 9 upon 10, and if we multiply by 4 in the denominator and the numerator, we will got 12 upon 16. That means when we will simplify this, we will got 3 upon 4. That means the value of equivalent fractions are same. Like as you are seeing here, these are some equivalent fractions. Like as you are seeing here, they are having different numbers, but when you will simplify this, you will got the same value. That means equivalent fraction may have different number, but their values is same. Now, next is like fraction. Means the fraction having the same denominator but the different numerator are called like fraction. So as you are seeing the example, it is 5 upon 14, 9 upon 14, 11 upon 14. As you are seeing, in all three, the denominator value is same. So these kind of fractions are called like fractions. Now, unlike fraction, like the fraction having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like as you are seeing in example 2 upon 5, 5 upon 7, and 9 upon 13. These all three are having different denominators. That means these are a kind of unlike fraction. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.